Freezing temperatures can cause serious damage to your plumbing, but with a few simple steps, you can protect your home and avoid costly repairs. Now, here's how to winterize your outdoor faucet the easy way. To winterize outdoor faucets, you first need to identify all the outdoor faucets around your home. Next up, find the shut-off valve for your outdoor faucets and turn it off. This will stop the water flow and prevent freezing. After shutting off the water, open the faucet to drain any remaining water. This helps prevent any remaining water from freezing inside the pipe. Finally, remove any hoses or attachments. This prevents water from being trapped and freeze, which can cause the hose or faucet to burst. To provide extra protection, insulate your outdoor faucets using a faucet cover. A faucet cover is designed to fit snugly over your outdoor faucets. These covers are usually made from insulated materials like foam or thermal fabric that can effectively block out the cold air, preventing the outdoor faucet from freezing and further damage. But when it comes to winterizing outdoor faucets, the common debate is between letting the faucet drip or covering them. While a slow drip or moving water can help alleviate pressure buildup, it does not guarantee that the water in the pipes won't freeze. In severe cold temperatures, even a dripping faucet can freeze, especially if the drip is not sufficient or if the ground temperature drops drastically. On the other hand, covering outside faucets with insulated covers is a more effective and environmentally friendly method. These covers help maintain a warmer temperature around the outside water faucet and its adjacent pipes, significantly reducing the risk of freezing. In addition to covering your faucets, another effective method to consider for winterizing your outdoor plumbing is installing a freeze-proof spigot. These specialized spigots work by shutting off the water flow deep within the wall where the temperature is warmer rather than at the outdoor spout itself. This means the water doesn't stay in the section of the pipe that is exposed to the cold air, greatly reducing the risk of freezing and bursting pipes. And there you have it! If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more safety and maintenance tips.